Hi, my name is Stefano Ashbridge, and today I want to talk about ways to get out of a musical rut. At some point, we all go through a period where we lose the motivation to play or practice. Here are 9 ways to bring back that passion and desire you once had for drumming. If it's not obvious already, think about the reasons why you might be in a slump. Did you get some discouraging feedback about your playing? Are you burnt out? Getting clear about the cause of your slump can help to present some answers. Set goals for your practice time and keep track of your progress. If you don't feel like you're making progress over time, it can be easy to lose the motivation to continue. Manage your expectations. Some things just take longer than others to get down, and it can be frustrating when you think you should progress faster than you are. But don't worry, you'll get there. Keep at it. Vary your practice routine. Getting good at your instrument requires consistent practice, but if you do everything the same way every time, it can get a little boring. So shake it up a bit. Study different styles of music. Even if it's ones that you don't like, it can help you to look at drumming in a different way. Change your setup. Add or subtract some cymbals, tune the drums differently. These things can spark some creativity in your playing. Take a day off. Maybe you just need some time away from your drumming in order to miss it. Reconnect with the music that inspired you to play in the first place. Listen to the old albums, and then think about what inspires you today. And finally, have fun. There's a time to practice your paradiddles, and then there's a time to just let loose and enjoy your drumming. I hope these tips help.